Hello, welcome to Legal Action. My name is David Siegel. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to be talking about divorce and family law to start off this segment. And my co-host, welcome in Jesse Barrientos. Jesse, how are you, sir?
Hey, very good, Dave. How about yourself?
Oh, doing well. Well, you know what? It's the time of the year, believe it or not, things are starting to bubble a little bit
They are.
with divorce and family law. Things are changing. Real estate values are going up. People who have been together for the sake of not wanting to move their real estate, waiting till the value went up, is starting to move up. Summonses are flying out the courthouse door. In other words, divorces are up. Have you noticed this?
Yeah, I do believe that it is up a little bit. Probably has something to do with that. I don't know if it has anything to do with getting things done by the end of the year.
Yeah. Now, it's nothing to get excited about. Obviously, we don't
not
encourage
really.
this kind of thing.
Right.
You and me both speak about working things out to the best you can and trying to find help. But sometimes a marriage is broken down to the point where it cannot be repaired, and in some cases should not be repaired if there's domestic abuse and violence and things of that nature. So we have this reality that couples don't last, 55%, I think, nationally in the country.
That's about right.
And we have a system set up throughout Illinois, the court system, that tries to do right by the parties and the family. And unfortunately, as one of my old associates used to tell me, the civic system is not set up to adequately solve the problem of divorce and family law, but it's the only system we have. So let's dive right into it. How does someone initiate a dissolution action through you?
Well, the first thing, obviously, that happens is they come in. We go through their particular situation because each situation is different. There are a lot of things that happen that are similar, the process and everything else, but depending upon the specifics, you may go in one direction or another. But it starts by drafting and filing what they call a petition for dissolution of marriage. And that gets filed with the court, a summons gets issued, and then served either by the county sheriff or by a special process server, or you can have somebody else appointed as a special process server. It depends on where you're at. I believe in Cook County, the statute says since there's more than, I think, 2 million people, that you have to have the sheriff try first. And in counties that have less than 2 million, you can have a licensed private detective agency without getting a specific order that lists a process server. If you want an individual who's not a licensed private eye, then you'd have to get your order.